Hi, I'm Paul Bates, owner of Cutting Equipment Incorporated. And this is our new Series 3 hand press, FL Smith HP, completely rebuilt with a PLC servo drive on the table. We'll let the screen load up here, but we've completely remanufactured the machine and put a servo drive on the table. Everything else is updated to a PHP standard with the light curtain and numerous safeties. You got the foot pedal, two-hand control, an e-stop. Got a light curtain in here in the middle. We're going to fire up the pump as soon as the screen loads up. But we've completely remanufactured this, and I'll show you. We'll home the table first, and it says safety spacer not in the holder. So I got to turn on the pump and take the spacer out, which we put a magnet in there. I'll hold it in. Set that right there. Now we'll home the table, and you can see the table's creeping in. It's going to go in and see the home position, and then it'll shoot back out. Go to run, and it tells you all the instructions here. Pump should be on, the ram should be up. You can turn the pump off here. The spacer's nested where it's supposed to be. The up sensor's on. So now it's ready to run. I push both buttons. Nice cut. Run through this again. Two-hand controls, safety. Great breakout. Do have a board planing machine, so we just surface the board.
How much paper can it cut at the same time?
You can cut about 3.5 inch ream of paper.
What, we have about an inch?
About
inch and a half there?
A couple hundred sheets right there. Now I'll show you the die safety. If say it's cutting and you get something in there, see how fast it came up and it says light curtain fault. So you got to push the button to reset it. Run the board back out, and then go back to run. So over here is the electrical panel. This is the smart PLC power supply, servo, AC servo motor. Everything has circuit breakers. This is your main on and off disconnect, temporary power to run it. Everything blues 24 volt. This is all Ethernet. Everything communicates via Ethernet. And so the electronics on it are amazing. And they're the same servo drive and PLC we use in our PHPs along with the same servo motor. So it's very rugged, industrial setup, and it works really, really well. So here's the completely rebuilt valve package We put better hoses. Everything's wired, fail safe. All the valves, all the components are either brand new or fully reconditioned. Brand new pump, motor, 10 horsepower motor. You got your cut solenoid there. New improved die safety. It works fantastic. And so yeah, all aspects of the machine are rebuilt. You got the foot pedal down here on the bottom. It's also emergency stop. It resets it mechanically and hydraulically. And it also turns on a safety switch too, so you get an error message up here on the screen. I can show you that. Start the pump back up, go to run, and if it's on the way in, it'll say foot pedal fault and tells you how to reset that. Okay, so now that you've seen the HP in action, we do remanufacture, sell them outright, or take trade-ins, or we can rebuild your machines exactly like this one. We do all of them exactly the same, same program, same parts, same everything. These are some of the parts that we manufacture, mostly for PHPs. We do the joggers, the spacers, oil filters. These are our carbon fiber 3D printed jogger blocks. Very good. This is a complete paper jogger, piston for your ejector, clamp parts. These joggers are machined 90 degrees, so they're jog your paper up nice and square. This is the pinion gear for your angle box. This is a servo motor mount for our PHPs. We put an extra bearing and seal in there, and the motor bolts on out here, so it really stabilizes that angle box motor, and it keeps any chance of oil from getting into your motor, into your servo motor, which has been a long problem with the PHPs. This is your table pusher bushing. I custom make these out of yellow brass, a lot stronger, last a lot longer, as long as you keep them oiled. So like I said, this is the HPs. We call it the Series 3 HP. So if you have any interest, you can contact me at 816-510-1595 anytime, day or night. We're here to help. If you need your PHPs rebuilt or your hand presses rebuilt, if you got some consignment machines for sale, we do rigging, installs, training on all types of folding machines, all types of die cutting presses. We manufacture these paper clamps out of billet steel. If anybody needs those, they're excellent grip, hold the paper very solid. So we do everything 100%. So we're happy to help. If anybody needs us, just give us a call. cuttingequipment.biz, 816-510-1595. Thank you.